Hi Shelby, if this is Shelby. This is Juan. We met briefly through Mike and Tim. My RV is parked between theirs. If you recall, come over anytime to get out of the cold. You got hot coffee or whatever. Oh, sorry bro, I'm not Shelby. Good morning. It is Saturday, February 22nd, and my friend Bailey just drove here from Minnesota, going for a morning surf at the harbor. This dude called me up. He's like, dude, it's lining up at the harbor. And I was like, is the freaking sun even up yet? There's a thick fog outside. Yeah, it looks like the fog is clearing, but I had to go fill up my water jug because it ran out last night. And we had the War Cry video premiere at the Pour House for Jake Braun, our buddy from Minnesota. It's sick seeing another dude that we grew up skating with in Timbuktu, Minnesota. And he's now in a video with Riley Hawk and Figgy, and he's like big, like heavy hitters, you know. It's insane. I'm about to pick up some coffee and find a public restroom. Typical van life morning.
What up?
Dude, look at this setup.
Yeah, dude, certified bums.
Yeah.
Life on the road, man.
So I got this thing so I can
Chew on it.
Yeah, I don't use it that much, but it's sick.
Sick. Kendall, this is Tony.
Oh shit, what's up?
Tony,
Hey
Kendall.
Tony, I'm Kendall.
Kendall, good to meet you, man.
Dude, look at this log.
Yeah, big
Like a
boom,
lumberjack
man.
carrying a tree.
Yep.
Hell yeah.
It's the only thing that floats me.
soaking it up.
Starfish out here. Dude, like it murdered my foot.
Oh shit.
Yeah. Dude, like, I'm on the wave and I'm watching him like go for it. I'm like, dude, left. Like I'm on it, like screaming at him. Pops up, looks at me, he's like, oh damn. I was like, dude, like, and instead of just like whipping into the whitewash and taking his board with him, fucker kicks it out at me and it lands on my board. It like hurts so much. And then just fucking ripped open. Damn kids. Not respecting their elders on the logs.
Nose rider?
Dude, yeah, I know. I'm
Looks like it.
watching these guys. There's a guy on a teal log over here just destroying it.